Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel with withBade Art. I'm going to be doing something a little different today. So first of all, I'd like to thank everybody who has subscribed and you know, all of my supporters who continue to support me. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so and hit the notifications bell so you can get notified when I put up a new video. I'm just going to cover my canvas quickly and I'll see you in a bit. All of my colours that I have are Liquitex Basics Yellow, Light Hue, and Photo Blue, Purple, Pink, Magenta, and Teal. So I'm going to start off with the purple. So the colour that I have on my canvas is actually a concoction of leftover paints. So I'm going to need about 450 mils of paint for this size canvas, which is a 16 by 20 inch. Turn this around today so I'm not doing it all cack-handed. I'm a very good one for that. I tend to do things a bit back to front sometimes. See, 450 mils, nearly there. So I've been doing acrylic pours for about 5 years now, and although my channel, my YouTube channel, is not that old, I'm just keeping my eye on the level because I don't want to go over. And where are we at now? Almost there. So I'd like to use some more of this blue. Try and use up all my paint because yeah, I don't really like it's just standing for a while. So all of my paints are except for the Photo Blue. The Photo Blue is probably about 1 part paint to 1.5 parts Floetrol. All the rest are one part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol and a bit of pouring medium. And when I say a bit, it's probably just maybe like a squirt. that beautiful yellow. I've still got a little bit of space. I don't really want to use too much more. 450 is plenty. Bang on, 450. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a big ring pour first, I think. And then I'm going to just do a straight pour. And then I'm going to do a ring pour again. And a straight pour. And I'll finish it off again with a ring pour. Right. I'll just give this a bit of a torch. I can already see beautiful things happening. Very exciting. I just love seeing all these little anomalies and cells and things popping up. Beautiful. And these colours are absolutely divine. So I really love what's happening around here. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and pour some off here first. Just move it around a bit. So I find the more you move it around, the more effects you'll get. So I'm really loving this. I don't really want to lose too much of that there. Let's see. Let's go with this side first, I think. I also want to try and stretch this out as much as I can. Yep, that's really beautiful. trying to keep you guys still in shot. I haven't forgotten about you. Right, I'm just having a look at my composition. I really love this and I don't really want to lose it, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this around and tilt it ever so gently. Get a little bit of it off. I don't want to get too much of it off. It's like the one time when I was in an aeroplane and it was a little plane and the pilot in flight turned around to actually have a look at us. I don't know what he was looking at, if he was just checking to see if we were still still there. I was a little concerned actually. Yes, I think it's funny. Right, let's get rid of some of that on the end there. Oh. Really love that pink in the corner. Right, let's go back a bit this way. Yeah, this is really stretching out beautifully. I want to get rid of some of that on that corner too. Maybe a little bit more on this side. As I'm stretching, I can see more beautiful things happening. There's some more really beautiful cells popping up. So I'd like to, I was thinking to get rid of some of this, but I think that kind of balances that out quite well. So let me see. Actually, let me turn this around. I want to be able to see if I can get rid of some more on that corner. Yeah, maybe just a teeny bit off that corner there. So anything about using these cups is that they keep doing a disappearing act. Yep. And bring it back because there's some beautiful cells happening there. Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm very happy with this. Come on, cup, where are you? There we go. Right. So I just want to fill in these corners a little bit and then I'll torture it and I will bring you down for another look. I need a big mirror on that side so that on this side of the camera so I can see what is actually going on if this is all covered. Yeah, I'm just wondering, do I leave it like that, or do I tilt some more off on this side? Okay, I think for now I might leave it like it, and I'll just let it sit for a bit, and then we'll see what happens. This one has been sitting for a while, and as you can see, the colors have really popped. I really love all the effects that it's given. I think this is going to be a Rions Belt. As you can see, there's a distinctive belt here. Very nice. And here, of course, I've got the veins again, which makes it very interesting. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and press the notifications bell so you're notified of further videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.